In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage invoices in Hosting a Website Builder. To get started, first open your Hostinger account and sign in so you can access your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the website you want to work on and click Website. This will take you to the area where you can manage the settings and store features connected to that site. From there, click Manage Store. This section is where you control the important parts of your online store, including payments, customer settings, and invoice options. If you're using Hosting a Website Builder for selling products or services, this is the place where most of your store-related tools will be located. Next, click Settings. Before you make any changes to your invoices, it's important to make sure your payment method has already been set up. This matters because invoices are typically connected to your store's payment process, and having your payment options ready helps everything work more smoothly. For example, you can connect PayPal if that's the payment method you plan to use. If your payment setup isn't finished yet, complete that first before moving on. Taking care of this now can help avoid problems later when customers begin placing orders. Once your payment method is fully set up, go ahead and click Invoices. This is the section where you'll manage how your invoices appear and what information they include. Hostinger gives you flexibility here so you can customize the invoice details to better match your business needs. In the invoice settings, feel free to review everything carefully and make adjustments where needed. You can customize the invoice content and add important business information as well. This is useful if you want your invoices to look more professional or include details that help customers understand their purchase more clearly. Depending on what's available in your settings, you may be able to edit things like business details, invoice-related text, or other identifying information that appears on the document. As you update these settings, it's a good idea to double-check the information for accuracy. Make sure everything is clear, correctly written, and consistent with how you want your store to be presented. Well-organized invoices not only look more professional, but they can also make record-keeping easier for both you and your customers. And that's it. Once you've opened your Hostinger account, selected your website, gone to Manage Store, checked your settings, confirmed your payment method, and customized your invoices, you'll be ready to manage invoices more effectively in Hosting a Website Builder.